Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ayomide Graphics. In this video, you'll be learning how to create trending images for social media using AI. As you can see, these images are being created using AI. Now in this video, I will show you the prompts on how to create these amazing images. Let's get into it. Now you go to your Google Chrome, you type Bing Image Creator. Now as you can see, that's it. The first one, you click on the first one. When you click on it, wow, now it has loaded. As you can see, I'm already registered. If you have not registered, you have to register with your email. So I've already registered with my email. That's why you can see this. Now let us type our prompt. Create a 3D illustration of a realistic human, Nigerian. So you can put your own country, any country you feel like. I'm using Nigerian. A young guy character workout from social media, Facebook. You can use Instagram, any social media. I use Facebook. The character must wear jeans, t-shirt, name Ayomide. You can use any name too you want, any name you like. With long coats, wearing Air Jordan sneakers. You can put any designer stickers you like. Sunglasses, splash, colorful water effect. Then the background is social media profile page with username Ayomide Graphics. You can put any username you want. Yes, then him or prefer picture of him and beautiful sky profile cover. Then click on create. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, then click on subscribe again, then click on all for you to get all notifications. Now still loading for us to get the result of what you typed on the prompt. Now wow, look at what we've got. Let us check it one by one. Just check these. Wow, lovely. Look at the effect. Wow, look at the sneakers, good. Wow, look at the jean, look at the coat, lovely. Let us check it very well. Let's check it. Wow, look at the sneakers, lovely. Like this. Look at the name in the background, look at the name in the t-shirt, the coat too. Wow, lovely. The cap too as well. Look at the effect. Look at that water effect, the colorful, different kind of colors. Let's check another one. Let's check another one, or let's check this two as well. Wow, look at the sky effect. Look at the name. Let's check the other one too. Wow, this good, lovely. The face of the profile picture even match this as well. Let's check the other one. Wow, the sneaker is good. Now if you want to download it, you click the three dots there, then click on download. Now if you like the picture, you can click on that three dot there, then click on download. Now let us check it. Let us change the prompt a little bit. Let us use a lady, then change the name to Deborah. Change him to R, then click on create. Let us see what we got. Loading, still loading. Wow, love this. Let us check it one by one. Wow, look at these two. Wow, look at the lady, beautiful, like the glasses. Wow, the effect is lovely. The sneakers, wow, look at the movements, it's so elegant, so lovely. Wow, look at the profile pics matching the real picture there. Let us check another one. Ooh, wow, look at these two. The hair, the glasses, the movement, the coat. Let us check another one too. Wow, this good, lovely. Yeah, I just like the way it matched the profile picture. Check another one too. Wow, that's good, that's lovely. Like this, then you can also download it to click the three dots, then click on download as usual. If you want to download it, as I said earlier on in the video. Wow, that's good. Whoa guys, that's it. That's how to create trending images for social media using AI, as I showed you in this video. You can also use the prompt too. You can change one or two things about the prompt. You can add yours to the prompt to give it another look, to make it look another way you want. You can use YouTube, you can use any other things you want to use there. So you can use other social media you like. So I'll be showing you the prompts now. If you like this video, kindly click the subscribe button below and also click the like button as well. You can also comment on what you think about this video, and I'll also answer to all your questions you have about this video. And please also share this video across our socials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.